Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to crochet this evil eye granny square, and to make this I'm going to use 3mm hook size cedar stitch marker and then 4 colors like dark blue, black, light blue, and then white. So now let's get started. Start with a magic ring, wrap the yarn, make a little X, and then wrap. Chain 1, two, and 3. This is count as a double crochet, and we have to make 11 double crochet more, all total 12 double crochet. This is a 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, 3, 4 double crochet, 5 double crochet, 6 double crochet, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then 12. You have to tie the yarn. Now make a slip stitch into the third chain of the first double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Right over here I'm going to make a slip stitch, chain 1, and cut the yarn. Hide this yarn to the near stitch first, and then you can just fasten off. Round 1 is ready with the black yarn, so now let's change the color with a light blue. I'm gonna bring a light blue here. And then to make the round 2, you have to make a slip knot first. And insert slip knot in any stitches, in any 12 stitches, like I'm going to insert here, and then insert it, making a chain 3, 1, 2, and then 3. After making a chain 3, this is count as a double crochet already. We are going to make another double crochet into the same stitch. This is 1. Now we have a 2 double crochet into the same stitch, chain 1. Into the next, we are going to do same 2 double crochet in every stitches, in every 12 stitches. This is 2, chain 1. Again I'm going to make a 2 double crochet, 1, 2, chain 1, 1, 2, chain 1, 1, 2, chain 1, 1 double crochet, 2, again chain 1, make another 2 double crochet, chain 1. Repeat the same pattern until you reach the last part of this row. So I'm going to repeat the same pattern here. At last, we have to make a slip stitch into the third chain of first double crochet. 1, 2, 3. And let's make a slip stitch, chain 1. And don't forget to do 1 chain here at last, okay? You have to make a 1 chain right over here. Chain 1 and slip stitch. 1, 2, 3 here. Chain 1, and then cut the yarn, fasten off. Now let's make a round tree with next color, and I'm going to use this white yarn. Make a slip knot to join this yarn and insert this yarn in any space like here. Double crochet, 2 double crochet space right over here. I'm going to join this. Make a chain 3. 1, 2, 3. After doing this, I need to make a double crochet here, 3 double crochet. This is 1, 2, and then again 1 more, 3, chain 1. Into the next space we are going to do same thing, like we have to make a 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, chain 1, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, 1, 2, 3, chain 1. Repeat the same pattern until we reach the last part. Now I'm going to make a slip stitch, chain 1, and then slip stitch into the third chain of first double crochet. 1, 2, 3 right over here. I'm going to make a slip stitch and then chain 1, cut the yarn and fasten off, and you have to hide the yarn into the near stitch. Now change the color with blue one, round number 4. Make a 1 slip knot here. Make a slip knot, and then you have to join this yarn right over here into the space, 3 double crochet space, and then chain 4. This time I'm going to make a corner square, so let's make a chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then treble crochet 2 times. Like this chain 4 count as a triple crochet, and 1, 2. This is a 3, and then chain 3. 1, 2, 3, treble crochet 3 times into the same stitch. 1, 2. And then 3. I have this is a corner, and into the next space we have to make a 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Into the next corner, same 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and then 3. And into the next corner, like this is the first corner, we are going to make a second corner. To make a second corner, make a triple crochet 3 times, chain 3, triple crochet 3 times. This is a 2 times, 3 times, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and triple crochet again 3 more times. 1, 2. And then last 3. Double crochet, 3 double crochet into the next small space. 3 3 double crochet into the next space. 1, 2, 3. After doing this, we have to make a second. This is first corner, second corner, and third corner. 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, chain 1, 2, 3, again 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Again 3 double crochet into the next space, which is really smaller, and 3 double crochet. Again 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. After doing this, we have to make a last corner. 1, 2, 3, and 4 corner. We have to do triple crochet for last time. This is 1 triple crochet, 2, 3, chain 3, triple crochet 3 times. 1, 2, and then 3. Now we have this, and 1, 2, 3, 4. We have this. One double crochet, 2 double crochet, and then 3 double crochet. Again, I'm gonna do here 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, and then 3 double crochet. And after this, I'm going to make a chain here. This is the first double crochet. I'm going to make a slip stitch 1, 2, 3, 4 into the 4th chain of this. Chain 1, and you have to cut the yarn and fasten off. And everyone, you should have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then 2 space, 1 corner, 1 corner, 1, 2, 3 corner, 4 corner, 2 space into the middle side. 1, 2. So see here, 1 and 2 space. And you can make a lot of granite squares and then make a bags or pillow cover, many like blankets. Yeah, that's all. Happy crocheting. Don't forget to give me a like, subscribe, and share. Okay, happy crocheting. Bye bye.